Alright, here we go. Just doing a quick, simple flower expansion test with the 450 Bushmaster Accutips. These are 260 grain, 2180 on the feet per second. I'll have the energy out there. Just going to do an expansion test to see what they're doing and how they're working out. So stick around. See what we got going on. There are no wasps under the table. Alright. Nice round hole going in. Holy hell. We definitely blew the barn doors off that one. Wow. We have a lot of flow through. Damn, that is fascinating. Hang on. Not sure if my head's cut off here or not, but it's got this gigantic dent in the denim. I mean, it's massive. It's 3.48. Yes, I have batteries. 3.48 dent in the denim. It's actually in the flower. It poked a hole. Poked a hole through the jeans and didn't go through the second one, but it made a hole in. All right, here we go. After that test, well, I'm going to tell you what. Be honest, the bullet did stick together and look like the picture when I pulled it out of the flower and stuff. Got it from the target down range. It was when I was trying to clean it is when it broke apart into these little pieces, which is a little bit of combination of lead and the copper jacket on it, but we're not gonna hold it against it. You know, I'm gonna say it's still stuck together. We're gonna go ahead and just say on the biggest chunk, what we got is 0.7, which ain't bad. Which, to be honest, I mean this was actually, whenever I pulled it out, it probably would have been closer to something looking like that. Those shards on there. See what we got left out of 206 grain. Yeah, there's some flour in there, but we're not gonna. This is good enough science here. Good enough. All right. The biggest piece is 116. There's the wind blowing. All right, we're gonna call it 116. We throw in the other little pieces. And out of 260 grains, we're still hovering around 232, right around there. So it's, like I said, that was all stuck together. It's when I was cleaning it, it came apart. So that ain't bad at all. Y'all seen it blew the barn doors off the back of that flower. So it might be interesting seeing what that's going to do to a deer shoulder if I'm not going to just, instead of just maybe trying to take a neck shot with it, because I'm afraid it might blow the meat. Blow that shoulder out the back, but we'll take a look. Unless I get a better shot, it's all going to depend on the situation in the blind, what kind of shot I take. But there you go. That is the 450 Bushmaster from Accutips from Rewington. Thanks for watching.